Now the last step is to paint your picture with markers. We're going to turn markers into watercolors. So you've already Sharpied all your lines. You've already colored in some of your smaller designs, and now you're ready to finish. So what we're going to do is take a washable marker, and you're going to trace around a shape like this, all the way around this shape. Now I've already put crayons where I don't want the color to go. And then right away, you want to get your paintbrush and some water, and you're going to be turning this marker into paint. So you're going to get it nice and wet and spread it around. Now I've already colored white where the white of the eyes are, so that's not going to turn colors. And so you just kind of smear that around. So you've got two types of markers. You've got these Crayola washable markers, and then you've got these other kind of Crayola super tips. Now if you don't think the color is bright enough, you can put a little more color with another marker, and then let's see what happens with that. Now you have to stay in the lines when you paint. You don't want to get paint the blue color over here, or at least not very much of it. So what's cool about this technique is that it'll be darker on the edges and lighter in the middle, and your crayon colors will pop through. So let's do a little bit of pink on the cheek here and see what happens with that. I've already crayoned some of it in, but there's still a little bit of it, maybe a little bit of this darker red. Those are my dogs. I'll show them to you in a minute. All right, and then you just paint that in. You see, you get paint out of that. And then you just go on to the next area. We're going to use red on this side. So you just go all the way around it. Like this. So you have to rinse your brush in between colors, of course. And we've got big brushes and we've got small brushes. So if you have a little tiny area that you're going to be working with, use the little brush. All the way around like this. Color it in, just on the edges. And then right away, you're going to want to get a wet brush and paint over that. And see, it turns into paint. And so you can experiment with combining different colors. If you color two different colors of markers before you start painting, you'll get whatever mixture of those two colors will be. More water. So it has to be pretty wet, and the important thing is to stay in the lines when you're painting, so don't let it go outside there. When you get your whole picture done, you'll be putting it on the drying rack.